Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will talk about what are the job opportunities for graphic designers. Graphic design industry is a big industry. There are many types of work in the sector. So first of all, let's see what sectors are in graphic design. Number 1. Visual identity graphic design. That means designing logo for big brand, as well as designing everything for branding. In today's world, new brand are creating day by day. Every one of them need designer for their brand designing. That's why big corporate companies need designers. Besides, you will find a lot of brand identity works in online. Number 2. Marketing and advertising graphic design. The kind of advertisement design you see in the world, such as billboard design, banner design, poster design, everything are created by the graphic designer. Graphic designers do everything for a brand marketing and advertising. Number 3. User interface graphic design. All kinds of interfaces you can see on the internet, like Facebook interface, YouTube interface, everything are designed by the user interface designer. Besides, all the types of apps that you run on your mobile phone are designed by user interface designers, even they design your mobile theme that you used. Number 4. Publication graphic design. Newspaper, book cover, magazine, all such publication related designs are called publication graphic design. Number 5. Packaging graphic design. We have to design the packaging for all kind of products that we see around us. And this package is designed by a packaging designer. Number 6. Motion graphic designer. The graphic design that is done through animation is basically called motion graphic design, and motion graphic design is the another part of graphic design. The demand of motion graphic design is very high in this world. Number 7. Environmental graphic design. Any shop design, interior design, and what you see on this picture is called environmental graphic design. Environmental design are made for shop arrangements, or for arranging in different stalls, and this are done by graphic designers. Number 8. Art and illustration for graphic design. Hand drawing or sketching are part of graphic design. A great platform for those who like to drawings, sketching. In today's world, there is a lot of demand for art and illustration. The sectors that I have discussed above. There have a lot of jobs in today's world. In today's world, new graphic design jobs are being created. Because new entrepreneurs are being created, new businesses are being launched. Every one of them need graphic designers. So you don't find any business that doesn't need graphic design. Because business means, there will be marketing, there will be advertisements, more different things can be made. Graphic designers are needed in everything. So every brand has a culture. They have to have a graphic designer. Normally the salary of a graphic designer is $1,000 to $2,000, but if you are experienced, your salary may be higher. Now we will talk about how to work graphic design in online. Because currently freelancing is the hottest topic in the world. Now everyone want to learn graphic design, because this is the future. One day people will no longer go to the office and work, and this time people will work online from home. So if you can involve yourself online from now, then your future is far ahead. You'll be far ahead of others, and you will be able to work with people from different countries, and earn money online from your own home. Now we will discuss the marketplaces of freelancing graphic design. Number 1. 99 Designs. 99 Design is the contest marketplace. That means, a client need a logo for his company, then he come to the marketplace, and create a contest for his logo. And then the designers submit lots of logo in the contest. And then the contest holder select the best logo for his company by winning the logo. Normally the logo price is $200 to $400, $500, even sometimes this is $2,000 plus. So the designer, who win the contest, he gets all the money. If you can win a contest, your monthly expenses will go up. Number 2. Design Hill. Design Hill, another great marketplace for the new designer. If you are a logo designer, or you are expert in logo designing, you must work in this marketplace. Because you can earn a lot of money by working here. Also, the chances of winning here are much higher. Number 3. Design Crowd. Design Crowd is also another contest marketplace. You can also work in this marketplace. Number 4. Freelancer.com. Freelancer Marketplace is the best marketplace for the new freelancers. In Freelancer Marketplace, you can work through bids, and also you can work through contests. But for beginners, it is best to join contest, because you can learn designing by joining these contests. Number 4. Upwork. Bid-related works is done in Upwork. Many clients come to the Upwork, and they post their jobs in the marketplace. Also, they write down the things they need in the job post. Then the designer, who think that he can do the job perfectly, join the bids, and get the job. Number 5. Guru. Guru is another bid marketplace. You can also work in this marketplace. Number 6. GraphicRiver.net. Basically, GraphicRiver is the resellable marketplace. This means that if you make a design and submit it here, your design will continue to be sold again and again. And this marketplace is the best marketplace for passive income. Number 7. Creative Market. Creative Market is another resellable marketplace. Here you also will submit your design, and continuously to be sold your design. Number 8. Fiverr.com. Fiverr is the service-related marketplace. For example, you can provide services in graphic design. Suppose you can design a logo, and you want to serve that person, and you can say that it would cost $50 to design a logo. Number 9. People Per Hour. People Per Hour marketplace is the marketplace like Fiverr. Here you can earn more money from than Fiverr, and here you need also create gigs. Number 10. Teespring. Teespring is one of the best marketplace for t-shirt business. If you can design t-shirt, you can make good money by selling your t-shirt here. Number 11. Redbubble. Redbubble is another marketplace like Teespring. Not only t-shirt designs in this marketplace, but also many more designs are made in this marketplace. So we understand that there are a lot of job opportunities in graphic design. And there are also huge job opportunity in online. Many job are posts by every minute, which clients keep posting regularly. Because each of them needs graphic designers. Thank you.